think actually in Australia there's like they actually have lawyers who are supervising prison administration and taking complaints. I don't think that actually is really happening at the moment. There are very few internal hearings. Do you have internal hearings and like proper internal hearings where people give witnesses and arguments are presented and adjudications are made?
Yes, I think so. Yeah. Yes.
And so with magistrates actually coming into the prisons?
No, it's just no. I think the governor or maybe the independent monitoring board, who are volunteers who come around, they have to sit on these things. But where it becomes a serious problem, the prisoner, of course, can take out a judicial review. But under the new scheme, they won't be able to do that. Well, at the present time, they've got some redress, but in the future, if they take out away judicial review, then people won't have that redress.
And the judicial review, is that in front of a magistrate or is that?
No, that's in front of a court.
Okay.
Usually the High Court.
Actually heard outside or heard inside?
No, outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that for like any internal disciplinarian, like a disciplinary hearing?
Not usually, no. I think it's something very much more serious.
Yes, a serious charge.
Yes, yes.
Proper assault causing harm and so on.
For example,
but not an external charge, not a criminal charge.
No.
But a breach of discipline.
Yes.
Okay.
There's two guys who've taken out a judicial review now for on the subject of prisoners' votes, for example. So that's an example of.
Yeah. Okay, oh, that's great.
You get votes here, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. That's right.
We don't get the votes, but we get a newspaper.
Yes. So what happened to the John Hurst case? I thought that was the one which was won before the European Court.
Well, it's been on for some time. John Hurst was the original prisoner who went to the court and managed to get votes for prisoners. I mean, the European Court said, you know, they should have votes, but each government have, over the years, I think it's going on now for 7 years or something, where they've decided they're not going to give prisoners the votes. So in fact, although the court says it's unlawful, the government so here you've got a government who are actually breaking the law and saying to prisoners, we are actually more lawful than you are, you know, and you can't have the vote because you're just prisoners. Yeah. So it's a bit of a mad situation.